Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters on Dress Room Press. Can I talk? I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made accessory adjustments on, which is the hair. Use this hair in this color 914 FAE, and then this hair in the same color as well. Well, kind of. I did 924 FAF for some reasons on this one. I don't know. In default, position the Y 0.6 and then scale to 0.17. Then for the necklace, I use this in 7F, 7F, 7F in these adjustments in the second toggle. Position the Y 0.52, Z 0.45, rotate the X to 0.61. Get this top, and I'm just going to color it like this gray. And then get this jacket from Codes in this yellow, FF8829, and then the rest in black. So for the last one, we're going to color it red in matte. Okay, I know she wears like shorts, but none of the shorts fit her like the one in the actual series, so we're just going to use this one, the skirt, instead, and color it to C2D49. Then we're going to grab this belt and we're going to color it this color. I don't remember what I used. I think I used this color, DF6868 for both, and then for the last one, do this pink and make sure you toggle on chains. I forgot to do that. For the shoes, I just use these boots. I know hers one has like a stripe down the middle, but I don't know how to do that in Dress to Impress, so I'm sorry. And for the earrings, I just use these ones, but you can use any earrings that you want. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.